5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 300. For that one right, 130. Middle and flat crest, and crest again, 130. All the way chicane, no lift. Middle and flat crest, and crest again, 130. Chicane right in 3-4 bales. 2 left, into 3 right, 80 down. Repeat, 2 left, into 3 right, 80 down. Late 3 right, only 60, long 4 left. It's only 60, long 4 left. 80. 2 right over bumps, 130. Repeat, 2 right over bumps, 130. Chicane, left in 3 bales. And 1 right over crest, 80. 2 left and crest and slow crest, sudden chicane, watch the braking. 80 and 2 left and crest and slow crest to sudden chicane, watch your braking. 60, 2 right over bump and 2 left and tight 3 right, watch the 3 right, you marked it. 40 over bumps, 2 left over jump and 2 right, 60. Fast straight left and long 2 right. Slow 3 right, rough, 40, turn 5 left. Pin now to the hairpin. Absolute flat crest and flat 2 right, 80. Right on crest and 1 left over crest jump. And 1 right, only 80, turn hairpin left. 200. 1 left over crest and right on crest jump, only 40. Tag 3 left, do not cut it. Repeat, 1 left over crest and right on crest jump, only 40. Tag 3 left, do not cut. 40. 3 left, 40. 1 right, 350. Chicane. Repeat, 350 chicane. Right in 3 bales. 100 left. 2 left, 3 right, fast 3 left, into 3 right. 80 going up, care 1 right, 2 left, and 1 right over crest, 100 over bumps, to chicane, left entry, 4 bales. 40, 3 left and flat crest, 200. Care 3 right and 2 left. Repeat, 3 right and 2 left. And fast 3 right over bumps. 1 left, 60. 1 left over crest, 40. Repeat, 1 left over crest now, 40. Fast 4 right. Past the junction, watch your bale here now. Crest sudden 4 right. Remember this. And 3 left into 1 right. 100 rough, 3 left. And don't cut 2 left. Repeat, 3 left, don't cut 2 left. And 1 left. And 2 right, 60. Repeat, 1 left, 2 right, 60. Fast 3 left. Into 1 right. Slow 2 left, turn tight hairpin right. Into 3 left. And don't cut 2 right rough. 40. 1 right, 80. And care 2 right over bump and 2 right logging. Remember, as you don't like them. 60. Slow 3 right, slippy. Turn tight here from left around the bales. 2 right. And 2 left. Into 1 right, 150. Danger, 1 left over mud and rough. Only 40 hairpin right. Down. This is where the car was off. There were 1 left and only 40 hairpin right. 60. Flat crest 100. Short 4 right, well done. Short 4 right into 3 left in. And 2 right and 3 right past junction. Repeat, 2 right, 3 right past junction. 1 left 100. Care 2 right over crest. 80, 2 right over crest jump. 80 rough. 2 4 left loose, you have 80. 2 right, you have 80 after this out, and 4 left loose. And 3 left bail inside, into jump and short 4 right, down cut over crest. Repeat, jump, short 4 right, down cut over crest. And 2 right, into 3 left.
Oh!
Into 3 right over bump and dip. Care on at 40. Flat crest, 60. Crest and tight 3 left, 100. Chicane. Crest, tight 3 left, 100. Chicane. Right in 3, 3 bales. And 3 right over bumps, 40. Repeat, 3 right over bumps, 40. Flat crest, 80 past the finish. Go, 1 right, 100. Stay at it, stay at it, stay at it. Well done.
The button again. Well done, Balfe. Well done, Balfe.
Delighted with that. 7 faster.